Hi, this is Paul Padda of Paul Padda Law, your personal injury attorney. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting a second opinion. You know, most lawyers who do practice in the area of personal injury work on a contingency fee basis. What that means is that we don't charge any money unless we win a case, and that means either settle the case or we go to trial and get a verdict. So if you come in to meet with a personal injury attorney, it's usually free, right? And certainly in my firm, it's always free. We don't charge you for anything. What I'm trying to get at here is that if you have encountered some type of situation, let's say you got in a car accident, maybe you don't think it's very serious. What about if you slipped and fell somewhere? What if you got bitten by your neighbor's dog? What if something happened to you that caused you to be injured? Maybe you think, well, I don't really feel that injured right now, but it could be that a month later, 2 months later, all of a sudden you start feeling the effects of that. Well, too much time has gone by. What's the insurance company going to do? They're going to turn around and say, oh, look, you waited so long, you couldn't have been that injured. So they try to minimize your injuries. What I'm really trying to get at here is it's really important to exercise your rights, okay? If you've been injured, you have the right to get good legal advice. And guess what? The way the system is set up, most lawyers who do personal injury law, and certainly my law firm at Paul Padda Law, we will not charge you. Make an appointment, call the office, ask to come in, get some advice from us as to whether you have a case or not. It's really important. We might tell you you have a case, and you might have thought that you didn't even have a case. So it can be a game changer. I've had clients who came in looking just for general advice. We ended up signing them up, and next thing you know, they've got a great case. I can give you a perfect example. I had a gentleman whose business got burned down, and he was denied insurance, and he didn't think he had a prayer as far as being able to get compensated for what happened to his business. We were able to file a lawsuit, and now he's in a position to get a great settlement. So things can change, and sometimes you might not have the perspective, certainly from a legal point of view, to know whether you have a good case or not. And that's why it's really important to always get an opinion from a good, competent lawyer. Here's the other thing to understand. Insurance companies are not your friends, but their job is to make sure they save the insurance company as much money as possible. So I've seen this happen many times. Somebody will get in an accident, they get a call from the other party's insurance company offering to settle for some amount of money, and it's usually a very small amount of money. They'll say, well, if you're willing to sign this release right now, we'll mail you a check tomorrow for maybe $1,500. So to some people, they think, well, that sounds like a lot of money for, I'm not really that hurt. But what they don't understand is the insurance company is giving them the lowest possible offer they can get away with. If you had an attorney on your side, you might be able to recover way more than that. So again, my advice to you, if you've been injured as a result of any type of situation, exercise your legal rights. Go meet with a really good lawyer. Give us a call here at Paul Padda Law. We're here in Las Vegas, we're here to help, and we give away free advice all the time, and we're willing to do it to help people because that's what we do.